We're here with IV2 Helmets, and today we're going to show you how to replace the visor and inner visor on our 953 Elite Series model. First, you're going to want to lift your visor up, put it to the side. It's a little right here, you push up, and just repeat on this side. Ta-da! Now putting it back in, same process. You're going to want to push this little thing down, just put it in there. That's one side. Push this. There you are. Replace the outer visor. Now we're going to continue to show you how to replace the inner visor. You're going to want to lift your visor up. You're going to want to, if your visor's up, bring it down. You're just going to want to pull it out on both sides. Put your inner visor. You're going to want to look inside. You're going to see that you can line it up and just get it in there. Once you hear that clip and once you feel it, you're good to go and move on to the other side. Okay, once you got both sides in, make sure you have it in there good and test it out. And that's how you replace the inner visor on our 953 model. Have a good day and ride safe.